Man killed, 4 others wounded in shooting at St. Mary High School after sports fete. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was shot and killed during a dispute with a group of men on the compound of the St. Mary High School in Highgate, St. Mary on Wednesday night. 4 other persons were also left nursing gunshot wounds from the shooting, which occurred while a sports day party was being held on the school grounds. The deceased has been identified as 28-year-old pump attendant Fabian Needham, alias Killy Killy. Reports are that sometime around 8 p.m., Needham and 4 men were involved in what police believe was an altercation outside the gates of the St. Mary High School, during which he allegedly threw a bottle at one of them. Needham then ran onto the school compound, but he was pursued by the men who opened gunfire, hitting him several times. 4 other patrons at the event were also injured during the incident. The police were alerted, and on arrival, Needham's body was found lying on the ground with what appears to be gunshot wounds. The injured persons were taken to hospital for treatment. Acting head of the St. Mary Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Kevin Francis, confirmed the incident when contacted by Links 007 TV News on Thursday morning.
We're following some leads at this point, and we're hoping to resolve this matter with a view for it to be cleared. However, we're asking any resident or anyone with information to reach out to the police so that we can be able to treat with this matter effectively.
Deputy Superintendent Kevin Francis said that the police are carrying out due diligence before stating what caused the altercation between Needham and the men. The police are urging persons with any information to contact the Port Maria Criminal Investigation Branch, the nearest police station, or the police emergency number 119. Meanwhile, administrators at the St. Mary High School said none of the students were physically hurt during the incident. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.